Find features that distinguish it from other brands for SAA Tiny Expandable Prefab Home, 1 bath, 2 rooms, 1 kitchen, foldable, portable, modular guest house, 19 x 20 feet. And why you should buy choose, because it consists of the following features. The house can be equipped with sockets and switches according to the power standards required by customers. Tension can withstand a stackable washer-dryer or dishwasher. Kitchen cabinet and sink included in shopping list. The electric light circuit is installed. To facilitate transportation, the electric lamp is not installed properly and needs simple installation by customers. As a consumable element, if you wish, you can replace the electric lamp with a new one. We are all equipped with power systems that meet customer requirements, just like electric lights. The house has water supply and drain pipes, and customers only need to connect external pipes to use them. This house has locks for the bedrooms and a lock for the bathroom. The front door is lockable with key. This house can be stacked up and down to become a 2-store cottage. However, it is necessary to install additional stairs outside. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.